video I will show you how to braid the magic braid, which is a part of a free pattern, the Unicorn Tail Headband. You'll find the pattern on my blog at GARKNUTEN.com, and if you want the exact link, you'll find it in the description below. So this is how the headband looks before you've made the braid. So we will start by braiding as you usually do when braiding with 3 strands. When we braid, we will count to 3. So 1, 2, and 3. Then we will twist the end of the headband in between the 2 strands to the right like this. Then we'll continue to braid 1, 2, and 3. Now it's time to twist again, but this time we will twist in between the 2 strands to the left. Braid 1, 2, and 3. And twist. Braid 1, 2, and 3. And twist. You can choose how loose or how tight you want to make your braid, but you have to twist the braid an even number of times to make the magic braid work. Thank you for watching and good luck with your Unicorn Tail Headband!